In this example, we're going to discuss the clip command. Remember, when you do a clip in ArcGIS Pro, what you do is you have a data source, you have a boundary file, which is a polygon, and therefore you clip what's inside the polygon, and then you save it as a new file. Well, the same is true in Python. So how do we do the clip? Let's remind ourselves we're doing a clip or an extract. We have up here at the beginning some comments, just like what we did before. We again import ArcPy, but now we've added another statement where we're importing the environment statement, and once we set up the environment, we can therefore use it as our default location. Now you can override it by giving a full pathway somewhere in the script, but in general, once you set up this default location, you're going to use that throughout what you do. So our default location is this KY1 geodatabase. The pathway, of course, on my computer will be different than the pathway on your computer, but this is going to be our default data input area and also our data storage area. So we've got a complete pathway here. We've defined a variable called Trimble. Trimble is a county in the state of Kentucky, and this is going to be the county that we're working with. So we have a variable called county, and it's going to be called, we're going to use Trimble as the county we're going to look at. And then we have done 3 clips. So again, clip is the command. It's in the analysis toolbox. It goes in the format of the input file, the boundary, and the output. So that's what we see in all 3 of these. The input file for the first one is the KY Rivers file coming out of the KY1 geodatabase. The input file for the second one is KYRDS for roads, and finally the input file is landmark. The boundary file is the same for all of them. Coming out of the KY1 geodatabase is KY_Trimble. So this is the Trimble County boundary, and it's the same boundary we're going to use for all of them. So we're clipping statewide features by Trimble County boundary to get a new output feature, which we're going to name county. Well, county is a variable, and that's the variable Trimble. So it's going to be Trimble plus _rivers, Trimble plus _roads, Trimble plus _landmarks. Those are going to be the 3 output files, and those output files are going to be stored back in the KY1 geodatabase. The results of the clip can be seen in the following image that was taken from ArcGIS Pro. It shows only the Kentucky rivers in Trimble County.